Hello everyone, welcome back to my another English speaking video, English with Mamun. Today in this video I want to share with you several matter. That's why this video will be helpful for our every English learner. I have seen many English learner, they just watching English speaking video every single day, but they don't practice English regularly. They don't make English video in front of the camera. They don't speak with their friends. They don't speak with their sibling. That's why they can't improve their speaking skills. It is so bad for our every English learner. If you want to learn English quickly, if you want to improve your fluency, first of all, you have to practice English regularly. Every day you have to make English video in front of the camera. By making English video, by speaking a video every single day, you can improve your fluency. At the same time, you can improve your speaking skills. It is so important for our every English learner. If you don't make English video every single day, if you don't maintain your consistency, you won't be able to improve yourself. Side by side, what is your real problem? Your real problem is you don't practice English regularly. You don't make English video every single day in public place. For that, you can't improve your speaking skills. It is your real problem and it is your main problem. So you can practice English regularly, you can maintain your consistency. At the same time, you can make English video every single day anywhere. Like me, you can practice English regularly. Like me, you can describe anything in English. What you are seeing around you, you try to describe all things. When you will start your English journey, like this way you can practice English regularly. Like this way you can improve your speaking skills very easily without anyone. You know that no one is perfect. For that, if you practice English regularly, if you maintain your consistency, you can improve your fluency. So from 2026 you can start your English journey. At the same time, you can practice English regularly. It is so important for our every English learner. You know that I'm from countryside, that's why I'm not getting free time for go outside. Like this way I can practice my English. Like this way I can describe anything in English. So if you want to learn English, first you have to practice English regularly. It is the best way for you. Side by side, when you will be free, you try to speak with your different countries friend, you try to speak with your sibling, you try to speak with ChatGPT. It is so important for you and it is so important for me. Side by side, you know that I have no partner who could help me. That's why I have taken one app. It is helping me a lot to improve my speaking skills. Its name ChatGPT and it is so important app for me. That's why when I need help, that time I try to go ChatGPT and I try to speak with him. For that, it is so important for me. If you are English learner and if you are crazy English learner, you can practice English like this way. At the same time, you can describe anything in English to improve your speaking skills. No more today. Keep practicing, keep learning. Best luck for everyone.